How to troubleshoot connection issue with Turbo VPN. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to troubleshoot connection issue with Turbo VPN. So if you're experiencing connection issue with the Turbo VPN, here's some troubleshooting steps you can try. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, and if other website or apps are also having trouble connecting, this may be with your internet service, then you can try turning off your router for a couple of seconds and then you can restart it, and that should be able to fix the issue. And sometimes a certain server may be experiencing high traffic or technical issues. You can try connecting to a different server location with Turbo VPN to see if the problem persists on or not. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can try force closing the Turbo VPN app. For that, you need to long press on the app and then go to the app info page, and here you can go and press on force stop. When you do that, click the OK button and disable it after a couple of seconds, and that should be able to fix it. Sometimes the device itself might be having some issues, so you can try restarting your device, and that should be able to fix some temporary glitches or some connection issues on with your following application. So these are some of the common troubleshooting steps that you can try in order to fix your connection issue with the Turbo VPN. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.